New Twitter policy. If you complain about the prices or ask to burn coins, then instablock. Let's see how quickly this cleans up the feed and how many bots it exposes. This was the Cardano founder's response to complaints about prices from the ADA community. He does not care whether ADA goes 10x or more. The technological upgrades are his major concern, but it's undeniable to note that ADA indeed has a 10x potential. Other coins that reflected this potential as well. Cardano ADA has recently been at the forefront of conversations within the crypto market, especially as they exhibit solid signals as the fourth quarter begins. Amid the volatility in the altcoin landscape, ADA has been a standout performer, attracting the attention of both analysts and traders. Currently, it is trading at approximately 27 cents at the time of this recording. It is interesting to note that what has piqued the interest of market participants this time is the emergence of a compelling technical indicator. This indicator is what analysts refer to as a descending triangle pattern. According to the chart, this pattern indicates a bullish trend reversal, signaling that Cardano might be launching into a phase of upward momentum. Since the breakout on September 28th, Cardano has shown potent signs of acceleration, hence fueling the optimism revolving around the potential for the looming bullish trend. A certain crypto analyst, known as Trend Writer, recently weighed in on the ADA situation, expressing strong hope. There was equally a tweet that read, "ADA is one of my favorites, and it looks ready to pop." The analyst further noted a positive signal denoted by a strong bullish weekly candle in the chart. He noted that it has a historical accuracy rate of 67% for predicting bullish moves. Another crypto analyst, Dan Garmedello, compared Cardano's cycles to those of Ethereum, stressing the emphasis of Cardano's potential. In a YouTube video, he disclosed his belief about Cardano, and according to him, Cardano is on a path to becoming an irresistible competitor to Ethereum, courtesy of its focus on solving the scalability, security, and decentralization trilemma. Plus, regardless of Cardano's detractors, Garmedello pointed out that the coin has maintained its spot in the top 5 cryptocurrencies, excluding stablecoins, hence drawing our attention to its remarkable display of resilience and potential. As Cardano continues to chart its way higher, thus reinforcing its momentum, it will achieve a sustainable breakthrough, so it will eventually go 10x. However, the Cardano community has reasons to permit doubts about this prediction, given the number of times that has been said in the past. So far, several reports have boasted about Cardano ADA hitting 10x, but it has only existed in words. According to some investors, if Cardano wants to spread its tentacles in the crypto market and subdue critics, it should shoot to 10x. But Cardano is not here to prove any point. In 2021, everyone thought that Cardano would go 10x, and at the time, a high-profile trader and crypto strategist said that the Cardano bull market was far from over. In a tweet, this trader, Justin Bennett, told his followers that he believed Cardano ADA was undervalued. He said, "A lot of people are trying to tell me that ADA is overvalued. We are in a crypto bull market. That means 99% of cryptos are or will be massively overvalued by conventional valuation models. ADA moving sideways for 6 weeks tells me that the market doesn't believe it's overvalued at all." He added that he was accumulating Cardano because he trusted that the consolidation would set up the smart contract platform for a massive breakout. Starting to build a sizable ADA position, I've held some for a while, but I'm adding it to here. Anything between $1.10 and $1.30 is fair game. I don't buy markets that are going vertical. I buy markets that went vertically recently and have since gone sideways for over a month. That's a recipe for the next leg higher, were his remarks. Then he said that the Ethereum killer could potentially skyrocket to above $10 before 2021 expired. ADA will likely be 10x from the current prices by the end of the year, he said. However, his predictions never saw the light of day, as 2021 gains were quick to thin out. Also, in January 2023, something big happened in the Cardano ecosystem, and everyone assumed that the 10x potential would play out. This was when Cardano staking enthusiasts shared details of an upcoming development in the Cardano network. It was a new programming language that was targeted at changing the narrative in the way that Cardano leverages its resources. Back then, the Cardano staking team, Cardano fans, shared stress testing details of a new programming language that could replace Plutus in the ecosystem. According to the claims, Cardano enthusiast Alessandro Conrad, the CEO and founder of SpaceBuzz Collection, creator of the Nami wallet and operator of the Berry Pool, rewrote the Nebula app in the Icon language and tested its resource efficiency. Cardano enthusiasts could not hide their excitement and were certain that this development would be the game changer in the Cardano ADA ecosystem. A tweet read, "Numbers are shocking. This isn't even funny. When we say that Icon is one of Cardano's dark horses for 2023. Development was set to introduce Cardano ADA to all enthusiasts of Python, which is the considered go-to language for newbies in programming. However, the ADA coin price performance disappointed all expectations. More recently, a Cardano investor, identified as ADA Well on Twitter, contributed to the project's growth, considering his experience over time. According to ADA Whale, a cautious deployment of less than 5% of his total ADA holdings has resulted in over 10x since implementing DeFi on the Cardano network. When DeFi came to Cardano, I was cautious and deployed less than 5% of my total ADA in various protocols. That grew by at least 10x to 50%. When DEXs came, I could barely do 1k ADA transactions without excessive slippage. Now I can comfortably do more than 20k ADA trades day in and out. Growth, his tweet stated. Furthermore, ADA Whale claimed to have seen significant progress in Cardano DEXs based on their efficiency over time. He noted that he could barely do 1,000 ADA transactions without excessive slippage in the early days of Cardano, but now he's been able to execute over 20,000 ADA trades every day. The investor statements are quite incredible, considering the numerous implementations on the blockchain network over the years. One of Cardano's users replied to ADA Whale's post stating that the multi-DEX platforms coming up on the Cardano ecosystem have potential to increase the number of trades by over 100,000 per day with minimum slippage. In 2023, Cardano's DeFi experienced growth despite the generally slow nature of the crypto market. Nonetheless, the 10x potential is not far from it. So, what about XRP? The recent positive court ruling about XRP not being a security has stirred several cheers from the community. This ruling made investors confident, and now many influencers are backing XRP, so the upside potential is huge. Many crypto influencers are equally backing XRP as well. A top crypto YouTuber believes that XRP could hit anywhere from $15 to $35. The figures are pretty heavy, so is XRP up to the task? At the moment, Ethereum is also on the analysts' radar, especially the renowned investment firms. These firms are eyeing a potential 10x return on Ethereum investments. In his view, Ethereum's upcoming 2.0 upgrade, the explosive adoption of DeFi applications, and its real-world applications could drive its value up. If everything works according to plan, Ethereum could go 10x or more. Moreover, it's very important to note that the FOMO is spreading a lot more than before. Are these investors quick to forget that this is the crypto market where no good news lingers for a long time? FOMO should never be a reason to make certain investment decisions. Have we forgotten what happened last year? It's funny how you can turn the pages over just so fast. As a matter of fact, 2022 took a drastic turn for the worse for investors of all types. After a period of accommodating monetary policy from the Federal Reserve, interest rates are being raised to fight inflation. The good times are now over for risky assets, such as cryptocurrencies and high-growth stocks. Plenty of investors got FOMO in 2020 and 2021 when many crypto prices were soaring. These emotions were amplified by frequent social media posts from people touting their incredible life-changing investment returns from buying the right crypto or digital asset at the right time. Frequent observation of other people making a quick fortune, especially when trumpeted on social sites or among peers, can lead to emotional decisions. And that is not what we need right now. FOMO may motivate some investors to follow the crowd on a popular crypto project or another high-growth investment without fully understanding the risk involved. But more importantly, fads are common in the investment world, and one definitely has to be careful. Thinking long-term is very crucial. It helps you manage your expectations and keeps outrageous predictions to yourself. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.